Can you tell if this one is a fish or fraud? Just by looking at these animals, you can tell immediately that these are not fish. Actually, there are three species: a shell with a hermit crab inside and some sea squirts attached to the outside of the shell. But if you don't have the pictures, can you tell them apart? For many species, the English name can be very misleading. Today, we are playing 7 rounds of fish or fraud. If you get more than 5 right, you are officially smarter than 90% of the population. So let's dive in. Which one is not a fish? Round 1. A. Starfish. B. Goldfish. C. Pufferfish. Correct. Starfish is definitely not a fish. Most of us grew up calling this a starfish, but scientists are actually trying to ban that name. Why? Because calling it a fish, it's like calling a bat a bird just because it can fly. The starfish, they have no brain, no blood, and they breathe through the feet. They are more closely related to a sea urchin than a tuna. Pro tip, call them sea stars if you want to sound like a genius. I think you all got it right. So now let's move on to round 2. Round 2. Which one is a fraud? A. Swordfish. B. Jellyfish. C. Catfish. That's right. It's the jellyfish. It's the most beautiful thing in the sea and the most painful. They are 95% water. No heart, no bones, no brain. Biologists call them sea jellies because fish implies you have a backbone. These guys are basically sentient plastic bags with stingers. Round 3. A. Crayfish. B. Lionfish. C. Clownfish. Congratulations! It's the crayfish. They look like tiny lobsters because they are crustaceans. Biologically, they have more in common with a garden pillbug than a bus. They wear their skeletons on the outside. Definitely not a fish. Round 4. A. Angelfish. B. Blowfish. C. Silverfish. Did you say silverfish? Yes, it is a fraud. If you find this in the ocean, your house is probably underwater. This is a wingless insect. They love eating the glue in your books. If you got this wrong, don't worry. The name is literally a trap. Which one is not a fish? Round 5. A. Sailfish. B. Cuttlefish. C. Kingfish. Yes, it's the cuttlefish. This is a cephalopod, a cousin of the octopus. They are incredibly smart and have 3 hearts, blue blood. They're mollusks, which makes them closer to a garden snail than a salmon. Did you get all 5 correct? That's great. Let's move on to the next challenge. Round 6. A. Anglerfish. B. Blackfish. C. Hawkfish. It's B. Blackfish. Blackfish is an old sailor term for orcas and pilot whales. They are 100% mammals. They breathe air and nurse their young. However, if you live in the US and catch a totok, that actually is a fish called a blackfish. This is why scientists use Latin. Final round. Which one is not a fish? A. Sea dragon. B. Sea devil. C. Sea angel. The sea dragon has a trunk like an elephant, a pouch like a kangaroo, and no scales. Is it a fish? Surprise! Despite looking like a medieval dragon, the sea dragon is a true bony fish. It has gills, a swim bladder, and fins. It's just weird. Sea devil is another name for anglerfish. It is a true fish. Sea angels are not fish. They are tiny swimming sea slugs that live in the open ocean, mostly in cold polar and subpolar waters. They have transparent gelatinous bodies, usually only a few centimeters long. Though they look ethereal and delicate, they are actually aggressive, specialized predators. These animals feed almost exclusively on sea butterflies that are closely related to them. So, how many did you get? If you got 7 out of 7, you are a certified marine biologist. Drop your score in the comments. And if you want to see more videos from my channels, click the video on your screen right now. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!